Here I have Google Nest Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to set up night mode on this device. So to enable night mode on this device, you have to firstly open Google Home app on the mobile device to which your Nest is connected. Then access it through its app, then go to its settings, then go to the notifications and digital well-being, and then to the night mode. And here you can enable this night mode. You can change night mode's duration here. You can select in which days it will be enabled. Basically, you can just set up a schedule for this mode. You can, in additional settings, you can enable do not disturb while night mode is on, and you can select maximum volume at night mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.